Hello my subscribers and channel watchers. Here is the new video where I'm going to unbox this Kärcher K3 high pressure washer, mostly for home use. Here are some key features and attachments. So it has 6-meter hose, water filter, gun and 2 attachments, and also it is possible to add detergent straight to this detergent tank in here. It looks very compact, quite small box, and it has power of 1600 watts. Bar pressure maximum is 120, but you can adjust it between 20 and 120. And if you are cleaning some bricks or road, it can clean 25 square meters per hour. Okay, there is nothing more to speak on the data. It's quite simple stuff. Let's get in the box. Let's take my little helper and get in the box. Some welcome words on the box. Here is what it is. I don't know what it is, but looks nothing useful. You can register your product. Here is the manual. Let's get on this stuff. How the box looks inside. Not very organized packaging, but here is the hose. This is 6 meters long. Some marketing information here. Here is one tire, second tire, attachment for hose, here is handle, and here is the gun. Something more. And the main thing here. Let's try to get it out with one hand. I got it out, and here are two attachments. So on the box there is written. So one is Vario Power Jet and the second one is Dirt Blaster plus 100% power. And here is the cable for electricity. This is how it looks all together, and this is all together in the box. You have to do some simple movements to put everything together, but I won't do this today. So again, this is all what is in the box. It is quite compact, quite small. Kärcher will be very good for car washing or other small stuff for home use. Please subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for next videos, because in one of my next videos I'm going to test this machine in real life. I suppose that I will wash my car with it and put everything on for a test. So again, thank you for watching. Goodbye.